Hey Lloydminster, you'll remember back in December, we asked you if you knew somebody that could use a new furnace. I really wanted to let you guys know who we picked back in December, but as soon as we picked it, we moved into Christmas, we hit that deep freeze and everything got so cold, and so we weren't able to make this announcement ahead of time. But today is the day, and here we are. We're changing out this furnace, and it's gonna be awesome. Here it is. We wanted to put a new furnace in for somebody that really needed it. And we had a lot of great nominations. There was a ton of amazing families nominated, and we wish we could have done more. We took those nominations, our team went through them, and unanimously we chose Amberly Whelan and her family to be able to receive this new furnace. And so today we are here at Amberly's house, and our team has volunteered their time to come in and change out for an Amana 2-stage furnace. This is gonna give her great comfort. It's gonna be able to reduce her utility fees. It's gonna give her great peace of mind to be able to get through these cold spells without having any issues. We want to just say a huge thank you to the City of Lloydminster for all of those great nominations, for getting involved, for nominating these people. We have so many people in this community that could use something like this. We just really appreciate you guys all getting involved and helping us be able to pick this family up.